Hello hair lovers, today I'm going to show you how I do my 2 flat twists. Well, this is the stretched twist out, and I'm going to show you my mini twist out, which I love because it gives me an opportunity to experience short hair without cutting my hair. That's how I stretch it. You already know I only use satin on my hair, so those are satin scrunchies. Okay, it's stretched, so let's take it down. Alright guys, this is the stretched twist out. And you know it would not be a Love the Hair You Have video without the infamous 360. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this flat twist and I'm going to Bantu knot my flat twist because I want a shorter sassy look tomorrow. Now the way I Bantu knot is, you start, you twist, and then I grab you. As you can see, I grab with these 2 fingers. And I hold it down and I twist the hair around. Once I get a nice amount twisted, I start twisting my Bantu knot in the opposite direction because they get real tight. So I start twisting it in the opposite direction as I'm twisting the hair around so that that last piece can fit underneath there without being too tight. Because you don't want it too tight, pulling your scalp. I love this hairdo because I don't wear wigs, I don't wear weaves. That's just my choice, okay, guys? That's my preference. I don't wear them. So sometimes I do want a shorter look. Nobody feel like they have shorter hair without cutting my hair. So this style enables me to do that. But my parts are going to be there. I don't care. In a way, I kind of like it so they can say, yeah, oh, okay, it's real. I only use Love Your Hair natural products. You can get it from lovethehairyouhave.com. You can order it from there. It's really inexpensive, and it works for me. So see if it works for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on the bottom and share. Share the video with anyone you know who might enjoy it. Bye, hair lovers. See you in the next video.